Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today we will be talking about the communication with nature. It gives answer to most of our problems. This is my experience. Now, one of such experience I'm going to share in this video. In this article, I'm going to lay emphasis that communication with nature gives answer to most of our problems. Every time there is some event going to take place, the nature indicates the same. If we watch the nature activities around us, this is my experience in most of the cases. Nature warns us before for any untoward happening, and for good also it gives an indication. So one of this my experience I'm going to share in this video. 13 years old case of ancestral property. A legal fight between brothers and sisters was going on, and there was no compromise. On the 31st January 2020, after the mediation in the court, the brothers and sisters decided to sign a pact. They had almost reached a truce. Now, while the elder brother was going to the court on the 31st January 2020, when he was just about to reach the court, the car stopped on the red light point, and a lame beggar knocked at the door for begging. So this gentleman got little worried, and he called me up. So I told him that since I knew, as per astrology, the Lagna rising is Taurus, and Lagna rising is Taurus, and the Arudha Lagna is Gemini, and the Arudha Lagna is Scorpio, and from Scorpio, if there is Rahu in the 8th house, then it is not good. He will meet a beggar. He will meet a beggar, an old man with a stick, or a lame man. So I could tell him that till Rahu is there in the sign Gemini, there will be no truce, and this is a bad omen. And Saturn represents the beggar, and Saturn is placed with Sun in the 9th house, so there will be no truce. And till the time Rahu is placed in the sign Gemini till 19th of September, they will not be meeting any ground for compromise. And surprisingly, this is all what happened. And I also told him that when Mars goes in the sign Capricorn and there is planetary war between Saturn and Mars, then there will be heated arguments between them. And this is all what happened, and exactly this what happened. But I told them that since the opponent is represented by the 7th house, so when the 7th house Lord goes in the 10th house, in the 11th house, and when it becomes retrograde and falls back in the 10th house, then that is the time to strike a bargain with them after the 4th of October 2020. Accordingly, the brothers, they tried to compromise with the sisters for the ancestral property, and they have almost reached a truce, and they are about to sign it. I told the queries that they should complete all the formalities till Mars is placed in the sign Pisces and weak till the 24th of December. And in case they have to dispose of the property, they should sell it when Mars goes in the sign Aries and is in the sign Aries till 21st, from the 24th of December to 21st of February 2020. Everything seems to be going as per the predictions, and this is what all I just wanted to share, that the time when the gentleman was going to the court he had to stop at the red light point. The red light point is Mars, and Mars is placed in the seventh house of traveling, and it is in a fixed sign. And since the beggar knocked at the door, it is the Saturn which is placed in the ninth house with Sun. It will not allow things to happen because the beggar was lame, and the things would limp. The truce will limp, and it will not happen. Exactly, this is what happened. And after the 4th of October, after 19th of September 2020, they approached the sisters, and after 4th of October, till 4th of October also there were not much progress, but after the 4th of October the progress started, and they almost met a met a compromising situation where both the brothers and sisters agreed to certain terms and conditions. So this is all just I wanted to share, that nature warns us at every time what is going to happen, and this is what, because of the bad Shakun, he called me up and I could answer his question, and exactly what I predicted happened. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends. Whether it is good thing is going to happen or bad thing is going to happen, then nature at all times indicates us. We have to develop a communication with nature. We have to see critically what is happening around us. If good is happening, then good will happen. If bad is happening, then bad will happen. So this is all I just wanted to share, friends. And we can also say that there is a strong force which is governed, which is the nature rules. So friends, astrology is amazing, and the Shakun and Oman are, I am telling you, they are most amazing. And if you, whatever is happening around you, if you try to analyze, you need not see even the chart. Your predictions can be made even without the chart. So friends, this is all I wanted to share, that each and every person today can become an astrologer if he develops a communication with nature, and most of our problems will be solved because we will know the answers for the same. Thank you, friends. Thank you for listening to me. Bye bye.